The road upgrade started in 2019 was expected to be completed in 2 years. The 15.2-kilometer Kwadaso to Trebom Road was awarded to Asabia Engineering Limited. In November 2020, Roads Minister Kwesi Amoako assured the roads will be fixed on time after traditional leaders complained about the delays. This year, residents blocked the major road for hours in demonstration to express their displeasure. Here are concerns of road users. The contractor has so far undertaken some initial works. Managing Director of Asabia Engineering Limited, Samuel Oforilabi, explains the delay.
I've taken the risk to do a lot of work here. I've almost finished all the bridges on the road. I've promised part of it. So I'm now waiting for the approval of the asphalt. Yeah, before maybe you can sit for funding and then just come and lay the asphalt. As I speak to you, the normal completion time hasn't been given to me because the approval of the VO has not been given. The maximum, whether or not, I can finish it within the next 12 months. Everything will be finished.
The inspection of the road by President Akufo-Addo will not restrain the youth from demonstrating. The president, in response to Chief of Akropon concerns on roads in the Ashanti region, assured him it will be fixed in due time.
Contract. Now, contractor for I want to be chassis and MC no naka. To me, I'm the many measure. That's how what they know.
The president, as part of his 4-day tour of the Ashanti region, visited the Ako Farms Limited, inspected the John Ajekum Kufuor High School at Daba and the Sofoline Ebuakwa Road project. For Joy News, Nana Atwima, Kumasi.